This is Kari Naimon with another chapter of making your life easier with AI. So today is going to be a relatively quick one. I'm going to share with you how to use AI to write a non-denominational holiday message. And the reason I'm sending this and sharing this today is because I am not a Christmas person. I don't celebrate it. And I just remember when I was working for big organizations, getting Christmas specific messages and actually being slightly offended. So I know that the intent was good, but it did not feel very inclusive. Today, I am using Chat GPT4. It's the paid version of Chat GPT. You can also do this in 3.5, which is the free version. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to keep it very general and just say, write a message to all employees wishing them happy holidays. And let's see what the chat comes up with. All right, well, this is already pretty darn good. It's quite non-denominational without me even asking it to be non-denominational, likely because I asked it to create a holiday message, not a Christmas message. But let's just say if this is good, it's a good start, but I want to make it even more specific to my organization. So now I'm going to say, so you are a CHRO. I just picked Land's End. I heard a podcast with Land's End on it the other day. A company that specializes in casual clothing, luggage, and home furnishings. I got that from the website, so I know what they do. Very specifically, you need to write a non-denominational holiday message that ensures all who receive it feel included, regardless of what holiday they do or do not celebrate. And then I'm also giving it a tone. Your tone is light, but at the same time professional. Write that message. Now let's see if it gets any better. Okay, so you can see now that just adding a slight bit more context about the company, who it's coming from, and the tone, it tightens that message up even more. So this is really just to save you some time and energy at sitting down and starting to craft it from scratch. You can take this and use part of it, all of it, just ensure that the message really does sound like you before it goes out. The last thing I want to just mention as a reminder, for ultimate inclusivity, if you have a global population and people whose first language may not be English, you can always then take this message and translate it to any language that works for your organization. Not going to do that here. I just want to mention it as an idea. I think your employees will really appreciate it. That's all I wanted to share with you today. So whatever you celebrate, if you celebrate, enjoy your holiday season. See you soon. Bye.